Hello, scientists! Today's part of the lesson is called STEM in action. And so you have the STEM activity, this first part, and then there's a few other parts as well. So let's take a look at the parts of this lesson. This part of the lesson will be worth 20 points on the assignment grade. Okay, so we're going to start out with same thing, passage, video, vocabulary words. And then down here we have two, after you read that, you have two a text assignment, and you have a matching assignment. So you can click on this one, and you can, based on the properties in the chart, you can try to match them together. Oh, I don't like that one. There's a little trash can. I can delete that one, and I click OK, and then it takes that away. Or if I want to start all the way over, you can trash can the whole thing and start all the way over. But you want to be sure to use these properties and these minerals and then match up a use for what they could be, what product they could be used for. And I think it'll show your results right up here. All right, so once you're finished, you would have the green light on submit, and then we click next. So project starters. There are two projects that you could do with this lesson. You could do some research on fluorescent minerals, or you could do some minerals that are used to make jars and pennies. So you have a matching activity here, and then you have a little project where you read the description and you pick out a mineral that would be good for that. All that's going to be up here in the main minerals activity. And then you have some little project starters. And then you get to the point where you're an engineer and you're going to build a bullet car, the fastest car ever, like those bullet trains in Asia. So then you're going to design your car, and there's a little activity on the Mohs scale. So then you kind of think about these two questions, and you're going to support your evidence down here. And you can see your rubric. For how that would be. So probably on these little project starters, you would just pick one. So you can either pick the fluorescent minerals one, or you can pick the bullet car designer. And so you can, I think everybody's going to do the STEM in action, and then you can choose which project you want for your activity. For the fluorescent one, you read the article, and then you will have, it says that I'll give you some websites to use, and so I'll link those in the assignment if you're choosing to do those. So I'll give you some internet resources, but instead, since we won't be together at school, it says ask permission from your teacher, but you might want to talk to your parents about before you go like Google searching things on the web. But I'll try to link some things in the assignment that you can use for this part if you choose to do the fluorescent mineral one. Isn't that the coolest thing? Looks so beautiful. All right, so this part will be worth 20 points, and I gave you 2 days to do this. So this will actually be the following week. So this will be September 21st and 22nd. So you'll have a couple of days to work on this. All right, so scientists, I will talk. We have one last section of the assignment to do, and I will do that in its own video. Happy scientist, happy exploring, I guess I should say.